Hi, welcome to AP Biology. My name is Miss Yan. I'm sorry we're not able to meet face to face, but at least let me tell you a little bit about this course. In this video, these are some of the topics that I'll be addressing. So let's start with the syllabus. I introduced the syllabus at the very beginning of the year, the very first week. And so a copy of it is placed in the virtual classroom, which is in the Google Classroom. So if you ever want access to it, you can always ask your child to get into their virtual classroom and they should be able to point you to the syllabus. Now, inside the syllabus are just logistical things about this course. The purpose of this class is really to prepare them for the AP exam in May. So in order to prepare them, there are really 4 skills that we work on throughout the entire year. The first skill is listening and note-taking skills. So I give them the freedom and the flexibility to take notes however they wish. They take notes according to their strengths, and this is what I expect for them to be working on throughout the entire year. And that's because this is the equivalent of a freshman college course. And so when they do enter into college, this is what's expected of them. So I give them this freedom and flexibility to do that this year, to hone that skill. The second skill that we work on are studying skills. So how do you study for an exam where it's not only rote memory, but you have to be able to apply your knowledge to a different scenario. And so we talk about how we study for that. The third skill that we work on in this class are laboratory skills. Now, obviously, we are not in the classroom, but any labs that I'm able to assign for them to do at home, we do talk about the different aspects of a controlled experiment. And then fourthly, we work on writing and analytical skills. Now, because they do have to do these labs at home, they are going to have to analyze their data. But more importantly, they do have to convey what this data means. And so they're going to have to be able to concisely so they're going to have to be able to write it in a very concise way. And that is actually what the AP exam expects for them to do anyway. And so speaking of AP exam, there is a deadline for the registration, which is in October. Now, because we are part of the NIMSI program, which is the National Math and Science Initiative, they do subsidize a large portion of the exam fees. And you can see the resulting fees down at the bottom of the slide. Now, a way that you can check on your child's progress is, of course, through Aries. This is where I'm going to be posting grades. And then Google Classroom is where I'm going to be posting all of their assignments. Now, throughout the rest of the year, if you ever have any questions, please make sure that you contact me. The best way to contact me is through emailing. So you can see my email address down at the bottom of the slide. But otherwise, thank you very much for listening and have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.